I'm all the time members of Tech and me and my dear friend. First of all, I am morning all of you. My name is Gaurav and from class. Since today I am studying here to find the subject. Class attention! Studies! Attention! Studies! Prayer is a link between God and us, so I like to call my friend for prayer. Class attention! I like to call correct Bola for play.
Elements of secretary, so I am all the staff member of Trend Academy and my dear friend. Morning to all of you. My name is Karan Bola from class 6. Today I am here to say play. Get ready for play. Indian country. Audience from the start. I am a country. And I am proud of within a very head. As always, stand to your join and what is the citizen of it? As a suspect to my parents, teachers, and elders. As also kindness to animal, to my country, and my people. I place my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Along with my happiness, may God give a countryman peace and prosperity. Jai Hind! Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Thank you, nice day.
So I like classmate Jay Kirpal for thought.
Science without reason is lame. Reason without science is blind. With these wonderful lines of Albert Einstein, good morning to all your James and respected principal ma'am, all the worthy teachers and my dear schoolmates. This is me, Jayesh Kirpal, behalf of class 6, standing in front of you to say my thought, and my thought is like this. Don't limit your challenges, challenge your limits. I repeat my thought once again. Don't limit your challenges, challenge your limits. I translate my thought in Hindi. अपनी चुनौतियों को सीमित ना करें, अपनी सीमाओं को चुनौती दें. Thank you and nice.
Please around us. So I like to all our senior for news.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal and all the staff members of Plan Academy and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you, myself, Varun Kheta from class 11. Standing here to deliver news headlines, and the first news is from international. India started its Operation Sindhu and destroyed 7 bunkers of Pakistan. And the next news is Israel plans to seize Gaza under its new plan. And the next news is from national. India started its multi-project in Kashmir after the treaty with Pakistan. And the next news is from state. Kedarnath temple open for devotees. Over 12,000 devotees joined the grand ceremony. And the next news is from sports. Yesterday was the tie-up match between Mumbai Indians and Gujarat Titans. Gujarat Titans beat Mumbai Indians by 3 wickets. And the next news is from temperature. Today the temperature of Pakistan is 25 degrees Celsius and the is 24 degrees Celsius. Thank you very much.
I like to all our senior for article.
Good morning, Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal, and all the staff members of Plan Academy and my dear friends. This is me, Sarthak Raya of class 11th standard. Today I am here to deliver my article in front of you. So my article topic is based on global warming. Global warming refers to increase in the temperature. Refers to the temperature and represent natural process always affect the Earth's temperature and climate.
Find your hands, everyone. Hands fine. No movements. See your hand. Look ahead.
Natural temperature and climate, but now recently the Earth temperature and climate have changed due to human activity and the widespread use of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels include coal, oil, and natural gases. Burning fossil fuel is known as the greenhouse effect in Earth's atmosphere. The greenhouse effect happens when the sun rays penetrate to the Earth's atmosphere and the Earth's surface reflects that heat. Gases emitted by burning fossil fuel.
How much intelligent you are. So I like to all our classmates that are ready for ask some GK question.
Knowledge is wonderful power to success. With this wonderful quotation, first of all, good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, hardworking principal ma'am, and all teaching and non-teaching staff members of Plan Academy and my dear schoolmates. I am Athika, behalf of class 6. Today I am standing here to ask you some GK questions. And my GK question topic is International Days. And my first question is, when do we celebrate International Air Force Day? Yes, yeah, it's right. But is correct. The correct answer is 8 October. And my next question is, when do we celebrate International Rainforest Day? No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is 22 June. And my next question is, when do we celebrate International Kargil Victory Day? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 26 July. And my next question is, when do we celebrate International Health Day?
International Health Day.
Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 7 April. And my next question is, when do we celebrate International Happiness Day?
International Happy Day.
Happiness Day.
Happiness Day.
I repeat my question once again. When do we celebrate International Happiness Day? The correct, the correct answer is 20 March. And my next question is, when do we celebrate International Yoga Day? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 21 June. 21 June. And my next question is, when do we celebrate International Music Day? I repeat my question once again. When do we celebrate International Music Day? The correct answer is 21 June. And my next question is, when do we celebrate International Tourism Day? I repeat my question once again. When do we celebrate International Tourism Day? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 27 September. When do we celebrate International Non-Violence Day? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 2 October. And my next question is, when do we celebrate International Peace Day? I repeat my question once again. When do we celebrate International Peace Day?
International Peace Day.
The correct answer is 7 August. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Small kids are rising stars of our school, so I like to call class nursery to Yancy for this forum.
Namaskar, teacher, all our teacher of the and my dear friends. First of all, charming good morning, I love my Indian. From nursery to the mighty poem. Chidiarani, Barishani, Bimberg, Basmani, Mitha, Mitha, Ganagar, Barya, Danahat, my English poem, which to Dar, however, but you are after show like a diamond. Shankar Bernard.
Teacher are the best motivator, so I like to call these sir to motivate us.
Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the learned teachers of Training Academy and my dear students. First of all, very good morning to all of you. Today I am say a small thought. Thought is like that continuous learning is the minimum requirement for success in any field. I repeat my thought once again. Continuous learning is the minimum requirement for success in any field. Its Hindi meaning is, यदि आप किसी भी क्षेत्र में सफलता हासिल करना चाहते हैं तो आपको लगातार सीखने की जरूरत है. Due to this, students, continuous learning is a very long process. Due to continuous learning, we have achieved many goals. Yeah, otherwise, when we set our targets, so we achieve these targets taking the long time. For example, how we learn continuously and how we find the solution for that. So, one time a father gave a task to student, her child like that. He gave a vessel full of hole and said to him, a bucket of water and said to him, you fill this vessels full of water. So what happened when the child goes to near to buckets and fill up the water? On that time, when he dip in the bucket, so this vessel full of water. But after that, when he put up this vessel, so it will become too near to his father. So it will be the empty. After that, continuously he is thinking the vessel is empty. After that, sometime he finger on its holes. So he is seeing कि this vessels fill up some of water. After that, he is thinking if we cover this vessel with a plastic and let us check. So after covering the plastic, so he dip in the bucket. So he realized that this vessels is full of water. As like it's same one in the education system. When we start our new journey, we learning the new skills. So in the first time, we lack the confidence, discipline, and many more things. But after some time, slowly we have learning from the others. Yeah, in this assembly we have new day, new things, new skills, and new new activity we have learned. If we think if we learn something daily, something daily, so this, if we start the learning, so they give us confidence, and confidence learning, and we achieve our goal definitely one day. Thank you. Have a nice day.